So our old one didn't retract. This one, as you see, you pull it and you can let it go. So today I'm here at my cabinet shop, and one really essential tool that we use here every single day is the air for the compressor, for the nail guns, to clean the shop. This is an essential tool that you need every single day in the shop. And we're gonna show you our old one. It got damaged, it's on the floor, it's a tripping hazard, so we're gonna replace it because we don't want nobody to trip on it. The release got damaged, as you see, but we order a new one and we're gonna replace it. So one of the things I didn't mention, it comes with this little extra hose to hook it up to your compressor. It comes with this lag bolts, so if you're putting it into concrete, you don't have to worry about buying something. And these are the bolts, so you can put your bracket together. So the way you're gonna install this is really easy. You're gonna screw this into your wall first, and after that, you get your mounting bracket with the holes. You just slide it in, and these are the bolts that you're gonna screw in. So it's really easy to put on. Screw this into your wall, whether it's wood or concrete. So if you have an empty hose like I do, you need this adapter for your compressor hose.
And if you guys can see, there's the actual holes that the adapter is going to go on it. So the adapter is not included. We added in case you don't have that, you're going to require that.
Our new hose for our compressor is about 50 feet long, great for any shop. Really nice setup to pull it and retract it, and so it's not on the floor. That way you don't trip.